Hi, James and Nicky from Fine Country, and you've joined us here today on the highly desirable Binswood Avenue, where we've got this magnificent Grade 2 listed townhouse. The property also benefits from 2 allocated parking spaces at the front of the property.
The property has an abundance of character and untouched period features. It offers 6 double bedrooms, 4 reception rooms, and is set over 4 floors with a large basement offering huge potential. The property also benefits from a large rear garden. Follow us and let's go take a look.
I'm sure you've enjoyed the tour of this fabulous home. Just look at this generous garden.
If you don't want to miss out on this fabulous opportunity, then please get in touch to arrange a viewing. Thank you for watching.